Ho! This is Hacksaw Jim Duggan, tough guy, USA, USA, USA. I'm here to wake you up for school. Just here to let you know that ever since the lumber crisis, the cost has gone up so much, old Hacksaw's had to trade in his old 2x4 for this here plastic spoon. But that's okay, because I'm going to use this plastic spoon to dig my way out of this hole and get back to the top of the WWF. Tough guy. Ho! Just like you. You can dig your way right to the top of anything you want to do if you get on top. If you get... Hacksaw can't talk. If you can get up on time for school and listen to your parents and make them proud and me proud and the USA proud. Ho! So get on up out of bed, and if you can't listen to Hacksaw, you're going to get a visit from me, tough guy. Ho! USA! 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 Ho!